Congratulations for making it through the 2020-2021 year, Wildcats. Olivia MORITZ, Presidential Award. Brooklyn MORRISSEY, Presidential Award, 7 quarters All-A Award. WYATT MORSE, Scholarship Award. FRANKY MOSQUEDA ALVAREZ, Scholarship Award, Merit Award, Resource. Alexander Moss, Scholarship Award. NATALIE Moss, Presidential Award. TALISE Myers, Presidential Award, Merit Award, Visual Arts, Sources of Strength, Peer Leader. Mario NARVAEZ, Scholarship Award, Merit Award, Physical Education, KMEA All-State Middle Level Honor Choir. KEIRA NEELY, Scholarship Award, 3-quarter All-A Award. Ryan NEFF, Merit Award, Resource. Alexander NEGRETE, Merit Award, Resource. JADA Newman, Presidential Award, Sources of Strength, Peer Leader. JADA Presidential Award, Sources of Strength, Peer Leader. AIDEN Scholarship Award. THAINE NOVOVESKY, Scholarship Award. COLBY Wedding, Presidential Award. ERICK OGANESYAN, Scholarship Award. Emily OPHEIM, Presidential Award. Isabelle ORNELAS, Scholarship Award. Carla Osorio Maldonado, Scholarship Award, 3-quarters All-A Award. ALEXIS, Presidential Award. GAVIN, Scholarship Award. WYATT, Scholarship Award, Merit Award, Science, World Languages, Social Studies. Caitlin Palmer, Presidential Award. Leona Parami, Scholarship Award. Joy Parton, Presidential Award, Merit Award, Math, 7-quarters All-A Award, Sources of Strength, Peer Leader. Lydia Parton, Scholarship Award, Merit Award, Theater, 3-quarters All-A Award, Sources of Strength, Peer Leader. Hannah Patel, Presidential Award, 7-quarters All-A Award. Carter Patterson, Presidential Award. Audrey Pena, Scholarship Award. Nilson Perea, Scholarship Award. Caden Fonensteel, Presidential Award. Olivia Pfeiffer, Presidential Award. Isabella Palapo Hagen, Scholarship Award, 3-quarters All-A Award. Gabriel Platt, Presidential Award.